So now you've arrived at your Canvas homepage. And on that homepage, you'll see a welcome message from me, as well as information regarding our Zoom meetings that will take place twice a week for the next 3 weeks. You'll also find some links to the left, such as your announcements, your syllabus, and your modules, where you'll find information on how to sign in and log in to McGraw-Hill Connect, a Q&A section in case if you have any questions regarding the course and where you can contact me throughout the course, and then information regarding our weekly assignments, such as a discussion, Twitter assignment, lectures, and videos, and your quizzes. And then you will find an end of the week exam. This will occur for the next 3 weeks in similar fashion. You will also find information regarding McGraw-Hill Connect on this website as well. If you check in regularly to the course and complete assignments by the due dates, you will succeed. Remember, the Q&A is also necessary if you want to click on that, so that you find information regarding of how you can contact me throughout the semester. Shrek@morainevalley.edu for personal nature matters, but anything related to the course can be posted in this discussion board.